Hey guys, it's Esha here. I just want to tell you the experience which I get through from in the BRDS Institute. I studied from the Delhi Center. BRDS helped me knowing each and every technical things about the cameras. They told me about the camera angles, features about them. They helped me in making films. They helped me in clicking the photographs in a good way so that the viewers can get through it in a proper way. One thing that changed my views is when I was in BRDS, they were introducing me about the streams, about the study material, various stuff. Then I really get interested towards the film and video and photography because through the film and videos and photography, we can learn about the country as well. We can look about the features of the people. We can get the knowledge by seeing the facial expressions of it. So I pretty much interested in that. BRDS let me know about the various rules of the cameras through which the composition should look good, the picture should look effective. Just like that, there is a rule of third which is very effective for the picture to follow it, so that the composition should look good and the effect of the picture should reach to the viewer in a very good way.